how we can do. First bait I'm gonna be throwing. Got a little thing. Got this little thing right here. This is my first time fishing in a while. See if I can remember what I'm doing. A little dangle right by the dock there. Okay, now we're good. Now a little deeper. Give this thing a little jig. I haven't caught a bass here since last year, so hopefully give a little dangle across the dock there. Look at that guy in the water. Stop that one a little bit too early. Oh, got a hit. Got a hit. I might move locations down there, other side of the pond, where they bed up. Okay, I'll tune into you guys when I got something on. Just missed one right in here. See if I can get it again. Right in here. First one of the season. Missed. See if it'll come back around. Round two. Look like a big one too. Tear it out there, bring it back into us. One more look in that direction. Nope. See you guys when we hopefully have a fish. No luck. That bait, switching it up. So give it another switch. This little guy. See if we can do something with it. If not, let me know. Is it too early in the year? We got on. Pretty small, but got her in. Small little guy. First bass of the year. Well, got her done with the bait cast right here. Just giving her a dangle along the thing. Tune in if we get something else.